Hello there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to write a program that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will simply reverse the arrangement of the three given numbers or digits using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output. So this library file will allows us to perform input output and use basic commands in C++ using namespace td. Int main, it is the starting point of every C++ program. We have here left curly bracket for begin, the body of our C++ program. Int n, we declare a variable n which I initialize with a value 0. N stands for integer, so it can only accept whole number, positive and negative number including 0. Console out new line, and then we have here console out \t horizontal tab, the title of our program, reverse three numbers. In C++ we have here two new line, the \n, and then in this line of code we are asking the user to give three digits numbers that is stored in a variable n. Console in new line again, and then we have here the expression console out reverse value n modulus 10 for the first value, this one is for the second value, and then the third value, n divide by 10 modulus 10, if there is a remainder, and then n divide by 100 for the third value for the reversal. And then let us zoom in again. We have your new line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, \t horizontal tab, new line, and then return 0. In C++ we will return to our Windows or in our operating system. In this case I'm using Windows 10. And then we have here the right curly bracket to close the body of our main function. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our code blocks IDE to execute and run our program. Go to build and run. Okay, our program is running right now. Reverse three numbers in C++, give three digit numbers. Let's say 567 or 567. The reversal value is 765. End of program. Another example, let's say 851 851, or the reversal value is 158. End of program. Let us close this one. Let us go back to our notepad. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on reverse three numbers in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.